Moving on to sixth question. A chord of circle of radius 15 centimeters subtends an angle 60 degrees at the center. Find the areas of corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Now moving on to the solution. Let us consider a circle as shown in figure. Let its center be at O, and here the radius of the circle is given as 15 centimeters. Let AB be an arc subtending angle theta that is equal to 60 degrees at the center. He asked us to find the areas of corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Here if we join the chord AB, then the blue shaded region represents the minor segment of the circle, and the shaded region with green represents the major segment of the circle. So here he asked us to find the areas of both the regions. So initially let us find the area of minor segment. Here let us note on the given information that radius r is given as 15 centimeters and angle subtended by the arc at the center is given by 60 degrees. Therefore we need to initially find the area of minor segment. That can be obtained by subtracting the area of segment OAB from the area of triangle OAB. Therefore area of segment is obtained by subtracting area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. That is equal to, if area of sector when an arc formed by the sector is subtending angle theta at the center is given by theta by 360 degrees into pi r square minus, here if we observe the triangle OAB, OA is equal to OB and angle subtended by the arc at the center theta is equal to 60 degrees, and here as A is equal to B, we can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle O, that is 60 degrees, will be equal to 180 degrees, as sum of angles in the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. As A is equal to angle B, since in a triangle angles opposite to equal sides are equal, we can say substitute A and B by some value x, and x plus x is nothing but 2x is equal to 60 minus 180 is nothing but 120 degrees. X is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore here we got all the angles in a triangle as 60 degrees. Therefore it is equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, area is given by root 3 by 4 times side square, that is equal to theta is nothing but 60 degrees here, divided by 360 degrees into pi value is 3.14 into r value is 15 centimeters, that is 15 square, minus root 3 by 4 is 1.73 by 4 into side square here is radius, that is OA square, 15 square, which is nothing but 60 goes in 366 times, and if we take the 15 square common, that is 225, we get 3.14 by 6 minus 1.73 by 4, that is equal to 3.14 divided by 6 is 0.523 minus 1.73 divided by 4 is 0.4325, that is equal to 225 times, the difference in the bracket is 0.0905, and 225 times 0.0905 is 20.3625 centimeter square. Therefore the area of segment, that is minor segment, here is 20.3625. Now we need to find the area of the region shaded by the green color here. In order to find the area of the region shaded by green color here. If we are able to find the angle subtended by the major arc, that is AB, at the center, we can find the area easily. That is, let it be as theta dash, which will be equal to, in the circle at the center angle is 360 degrees minus theta, that is equal to 360 degrees minus theta is 60 degrees here, that is equal to 300 degrees. Therefore, the area of the major segment is theta dash, which is subtended by the major segment at the center, theta dash by 360 degrees into pi r square, that is equal to, theta dash here is nothing but 300 degrees divided by 360 degrees into pi value is 3.14 into radius square is 15 square, that is equal to, here 300 goes in 65 times and in 360 it is 6 times. Therefore we get 5 by 6 times 3.14 into 225 is 15 square, that is 5 by 6 times 3.14 times 225 is 588.75 centimeter square. This is the area of the major segment.